Jail here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from PayPal to your Wise. So to do this is pretty simple, and you'll only need two things. And the first one is going to be your account details, as stated right here below your balance in your Euro balance, as you can see right here. And next is your PayPal. So of course, first we're going to go here and go to our Euro balance. So once you have gotten your account details, you will want to go to your PayPal right here, and then let's just open it up. So as you can see right here, you can add new ones, bank cards here. So just go to your wallet and then add new. So this will fall under the banks as a bank. Wise is a bank basically, but it's not a technical bank, but a virtual bank only. So here you want to check it out right here and then add the account details that we got from Wise and place it right here in your own PayPal. So once you've done that, actually PayPal will send two small amounts to your Wise account so that you will be able to verify if it's actually yours. So there you go, guys. That is how you actually link your own Wise account to your own PayPal. So there you go, guys. That is how you do it. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.